And good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to take you through the walkthrough of a pre-purchase on a Cheetah. I'd like to thank Shop Monkey for letting me use his airplane that I pre-purchased many years ago when he first bought it. It was a good airplane, it still is, so stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. And so we'll start in a hellhole, and first thing we're going to do is look to see are all the cables bundled properly, are the cables properly tensioned, is there any slack in the cables. Then we're going to look at the outside, and well, we're missing an aileron button, so there you go. A 9101 rubber button keeps the weather out, and there's one on the top and there's one on the bottom, even though this one is blurry. So you need 4 of them for a later model Cheetah or Tiger because you have 2 per aileron. And those again are the 9101 buttons. And then as you can hear, we're looking to see lubrication streaming in the slipstream from over lubrication of the joints where the bearings are for the flaps and the aileron. So when you're doing a pre-purchase, you're really just going through the airplane and getting a general condition of what the airplane is, kind of getting a feel for what you're going to have to do to go ahead and bring it up to airworthy condition, so that when you go out to the airport, and put your keys, you're going to put them in the airplane and it's going to fly. You're not going to be working on it. Stay tuned. And as you might expect, it's missing the 9101 buttons on the other aileron. So 3 buttons so far. We'll have to look on the bottom of the wing to be sure. But again, looking on the bottom of the aileron, we see that button number 4 is going to be required. So that's making a list, and considering those buttons are available, go ahead and put them in your airplane. Then we're going to take a look at the fuel drains. And again, we have a little bit of a weep here. We don't know if that's the O-ring or a problem with the drain. Taking a look at the glove box and the avionics and the fuses and how the panel's all laid out. What kind of condition is the plastic in? Is it labeled properly? And then we can start taking a look around the airplane. And here we are looking down in the back of the hellhole on one side where the torque tubes are. The cover's been folded back to get it out of the way. Now we're going to look on the other side where the flat motor is. We're looking for dirt, debris, dropped objects, anything that might be a problem. And as you can see here, we're missing the canopy buttons. When you push the canopy all the way back to the little rubber button there that bumps into it, not a problem. We're looking back here and we can see all the plastics in fairly good shelf. A little chip here and there, but nothing untoward. Maybe change the color. We're looking here at the seals and the plastic and the headliner and how everything all fits together. So again, not finding anything wrong, even though the glass is getting up in time, but it is still usable glass for a while. Fly it for a couple of years before you have to change it. All things you're going to want to note as you look down the road. When you do these things on an airplane and you buy it and you have this list, you don't necessarily have to fix everything all at once. You can do it in stages. And then here, as you're looking up in the muffler, you'll notice that we don't have a flame tube. When we remove the cowling, we'll be checking for any eggs in the outer shield of the muffler can. But again, not a flame tube. Call Fletch Air, order muffler, and away it will come to you. So again, just a good look at the general condition of the airplane. Looking around the engine compartment, streaks here, streaks there will all have a tale to tell. And again, you're just looking to see, is this an airplane for you? Is it stuff that you can live with? Cracks can be fit, dings on the side of the cowling can all be done, paint can be touched up, screws can be replaced. You kind of get the idea. It's all part of ownership and owning an airplane. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this initial walkthrough of a pre-purchase on a Grumman Cheetah useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.